Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guangdong of China has a hot and humid climate, which can easily make people lose their appetite. Cantonese people cook nutritious soups and conges to nourish the body and whet the appetite. Today's recipe is fish congee. Easy to make and delicious. Let's get started. Prepare half a skilled base, about 160 grams. Take out the main bone and slice the fish. Prepare shredded ginger 10 grams, chopped scallion 5 grams, 1 teaspoon of cooking wine. Add the cooking wine and half of the shredded ginger to the fish slices. Mix well with your hands. Set aside. Add 55 grams of washed rice to the casserole. Then add 1,500 milliliters of water. Fish bone. Cook on low heat for about an hour. Remove the ginger from the fish slices. Add the left shredded ginger and fish slices into the congee. Bring to a boil, boiling for 2 minutes. Then turn off the heat. Top with chopped scallion. Delicious fish congee is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.